a registered dietitian. What we eat affects how we feel. We all want to feel well, so what can we eat to get there? Enter Canada's Food Guide. It takes complex scientific nutrition information and turns it into an easier to use tool. We can use this tool to make food choices to improve our health, both physical and mental. The latest Canada's Food Guide is a plate with 3 food groupings and showcases Canadian grown foods, vegetables and fruit, whole grains, and protein foods. Of course, everyone's plate looks different. We all have unique cultural and individual needs that are reflected in the foods we choose to eat. Luckily, a variety of foods fit into this plate. So what are some ways you can boost your nutrition? Consider making half of what you eat vegetables and fruit. Does that seem too big an ask? No problem. Start small and with something you think you can manage. Maybe it's a couple of apple slices with your cereal, or just a handful of peas with a snack, or a few leaves of spinach in your sandwich. It all helps. Vegetables and fruits have lots of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. These are important ingredients that lower our risk for heart disease and some cancers. Aim for a variety of colors. They each have different nutrients that we need for health. When choosing grains for your meal, why not make it whole grains? These include oatmeal, whole grain bread and pasta, brown rice, wild rice, barley, quinoa. Whole grains have more nutrition, including fiber, than refined grains because they include all parts of the grain. Refined choices like white bread and enriched pasta have parts of the grain removed during processing, stripping away some of their goodness. Look on the ingredient list for whole as part of the first ingredient. Whole grain, whole wheat, whole oats. An added bonus, the healthier options often cost the same. On the remaining quarter of your plate, choose some protein foods. Protein helps the body build and repair itself, and also helps us to feel satisfied or full for longer after eating. Protein options include meat, milk products, fish, also plant-based proteins like nuts, seeds, beans, and lentils. We're encouraged to eat these options more often. They are higher in fiber and lower in saturated fats. Plus, they often produce less greenhouse gases and require less land and water to produce than animal products. Think about your next snack or meal. What changes will you try? Eat well, live well.